Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this lecture we will talk about simultaneous equations. So stay connected with us till the end. Simultaneous equations are a set of independent equations that involve one or more common variables. We use the word simultaneous because there is at least one solution that satisfies all the equations at the same time. There are three methods to solve simultaneous questions. No matter which method is used, each method will lead to the same answer. 1. Substitution method. This method involves solving one equation for one variable and then substituting that expression into the other equation. 2. Elimination method. This method focuses on eliminating one variable by adding or subtracting the equations, often after multiplying one or both equations by a suitable constant. 3. Graphing method. This method involves plotting the equations on a graph and finding the point of intersection, if it exists, which represents the solution. Problem 1. By using the substitution method, 3x minus y equals 12, and 2x plus y equals 13. Let's solve the system of equations step by step. Step 1. Write down the equations. Equation 1. 3x minus y equals 12. Equation 2. 2x plus y equals 13. Step 2. Add both equations to eliminate y. 3x minus y plus 2x plus y equals 12 plus 13. We get 5x equals 25. Step 3. Solve for x. X equals 25 by 5. X equals 5. Step 4. Substitute x into one of the original equations to solve for y. Using equation 2, 2x plus y equals 13. 2 into 5 plus y equals 13. 10 plus y equals 13. Step 5. Solve for y. Y equals 13 minus 10. Y equals 3. The solution is x equals 5 and y equals 3. Problem 2. By using eliminating method, let's solve the step by step. 2x plus 3y equals 10, and x minus 2y equals 2. Step 1. Multiply the second equation by 2 to make coefficients of x equal. We get 2x minus 4y equals 4. Step 2. Subtract the new equation from the first equation. 2x plus 3y minus 2x minus 4y equals 10 minus 4. We get 7y equals 6. Step 3. Solve for y. Y equals 6/7. Step 4. Substitute y into one of the original equations to solve for x. Using x minus 2y equals 2. X minus 2 times 6 divided by 7 equals 2. Step 5. Solve for x. X minus 12 divided by 7 equals 2. X equals 2 plus 12 by 7. Take a LCM. We get x equals 14 plus 12 by 7. Hence, x equals 26 by 7. The solution is x equals 26 by 7 and y equals 6 by 7. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the channel for more